Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mandy Rachel, and in this video I want to share with you 5 steps that you can actually use to sell your digital products online. Well, before I proceed, I would like to first and foremost say a very big thank you to you. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you see me for the very first time, hi, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for finding this video worthy of your views. And I want to assure you that this video isn't going to be a waste of your time or a waste of your data. So please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you are the first to know that I have dropped a new video. Finally, guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up so that it gets to be shown to more people by YouTube. Also, if you have any questions, do not forget to drop your comments so that I can answer your questions. And if you have more things you would love to learn from me, just drop it in the comment, and I just might make a video on it teaching you about it. So guys, let's dive right into the video of the day, which is I want to share with you in this video 5 steps that you can actually use to sell your digital products online. Now, the number one is this. Number one step, or number one thing that you need to do when you're trying to sell your digital products online, is that you need to go to where people are. Because if you want to sell something to people, you want to sell a product, even if it is not a digital product, you need actual and real people to actually buy this product from you. So what that tells you, or what that means, is that you need to go to where people are. Now, for this online and digital space, where do we have those kind of people that can buy your digital products? We have them on Facebook, we have them on Instagram, we have them on Twitter, we have them on LinkedIn, and we even have them on TikTok. Do you understand? So you need to really go to where these people are if you hope to sell to them. That is the number one step. The number 2 step, guys, is that you need to build a list. Yes, you need to build a list, because right now you are where the people that want to purchase your products are, but not everybody will buy from you. You need to really have that at the back of your mind, and by now you should have known the kind of people you're trying to target with your product. So what do you now need to do next is you need to build a list. You need to have a list of all of these people that you're trying to sell to. So it's either you're directing them from these your social media pages to maybe your email or to your WhatsApp. So you need to build a list. That is the number 2 thing that you need to do to sell your digital products online. The number 3 thing that you need to do to sell your digital products online is that you need to build your KLT factor. By KLT factor, I mean the know, like, and trust factor. See, people will only buy from you if they know you, if they like you, and if they trust you. Once people don't like you, people don't trust you, there's no way they can be able to patronize you or buy your digital products from you. So you need to build authority. You need to build authority. And how do you do that? You do that by building your KLT factor. Make people like you, make people trust you, and before you know it, they are begging you with their money to actually buy your digital product. So that is the number 3 thing that you need to do to sell your digital products online. Now, what is the number 4 thing that you need to do? Number 4 thing is you need to move fast. Move fast. You see all those procrastination that you are doing, all those I don't think I am ready. It is at your own detriment. In case you are not aware, you need to move fast. You need to be novel. You need to, if you get that idea, like, okay, you want to do this thing, don't sleep on it, because the truth of the matter is you won't even know if it will work out if you don't try. Do you understand? So why don't you just give it a try already? So you need to move fast. That's the number 4 thing. So the number 5. Can anybody guess what the number 5 is? Type it in the comment section. What do you think is going to be the number 5 thing that you need to do to sell your digital products online? The number 5 thing you need is you need social proof. So did anybody guess right? If you guessed right, still go back to the comment and say, yeah, I got it. Anyways, guys, the number 5 thing that you need is you need social proof, because right now you're already in the midst of those audience. You found the audience, you understand, you've built the list, you've built your KLT fact. People will only buy your digital product when they see that it is actually real, when they see that it is actually working, when they see that it is actually what you say it is. And how best do you convince them and make them understand that it is what it is, other than through social proof? So guys, the number 5 thing is you need social proof. If you can combine all of these 5 things together and do it absolutely well, you would see how people will be begging you with their money that, please, I want to buy that your ebook, please, I want to buy that your training, please, I want to pay for your course. These are the 5 steps that you need to sell your digital products online. Guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to share this video, because you never know who needs it. Share this video with your friends that you know actually needs to watch this video. Maybe they are just planning to start a new business, or they are planning to launch their digital business, or their digital product, or they are planning to launch their digital product and they are still like, oh, how do I start? Where do I start from? Share this video with them so that they can learn. And do not forget to drop your comments as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comments. And if you're yet to subscribe to this channel and you've watched up until this point, hit that subscribe button right now. Yes, hit that button, subscribe, and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications so that when I drop new videos, you will be the first to know. Guys, if you would love a training that will teach you how to set up your own full digital business while making money alongside as you're learning, then you need to watch this video right now that I'm pointing at right here. And you also need to read the description of this video, because I am going to be linking it in the description box below. Until next time, when I come your way in my next video, keep being amazing, and I am definitely rooting for you.